My name is Richard Umezinwa. I am with the University of Nigeria, Nsukka, Theatre and Film Studies Department. And my area of focus is theatre design, technology and management. And in theatre design, there are lots of possibilities, there are lots of opportunities, and there are lots of creativity in it. And I am passionate about theatre design because of the opportunity it affords me to get to see a lot of students with different creative ideas. And it has afforded me opportunity to work with different kinds of different kinds of productions. We have worked with kind of productions that we get to utilize waste materials, unlike what you have out there, where you get to see mechanized stage and technology that encourage theatre practice. But here we have little, and we get to utilize as little as it is, and our productions are always very, very creative, and our audience get to like it. And the theatre design is a whole world of possibilities where you get to see a lot of things. And in design, we here in Nsukka, we have a lot of theatre performances that we do, and we do both at the Arts Theatre and the Department of Theatre and Film Studies open air shows, and we incorporate a lot of materials into our designs, get to use local materials, and we get to explore a lot of opportunities. Thank you.